The Department of Petroleum Resources has said it's working towards capturing all the 33,000 filling stations in Nigeria and its downstream remote monitoring system by December to curb fuel smuggling and other illegal activities in the downstream oil sector. The Director and Chief Executive Officer DPR, Mr. Saki Anwulu, said on Thursday that about 6,700 filling stations had already been registered in the system and their daily activities were being monitored. The Transmission Company of Nigeria has suspended the evacuation of electricity to eligible customers. It has learned on Thursday in July of 2020 that the immediate past Minister of Power, Babatunde Fashola, announced the introduction of the eligible customer policy, explaining it would accelerate power supply to industries and heavy consumers. The Nigerian Labour Congress has said the federal government must implement by December the agreement to reduce electricity tariffs by 15 naira per kilowatt hour. The Congress cautioned that it would not accept the serial violations of agreements, noting it was serving the government a notice. The NLC President Ayuba Waba disclosed this in a statement on Thursday. The Senate has asked the Bureau of Public Enterprises to refund 8.7 billion naira to the Consolidated Revenue Fund based on an audit query issued by the Office of the Auditor General of the Federation. The Committee on Public Accounts of the Senate has sustained the query contained in the 2015 report by OAUGF, alleging that the BPE committed a series of financial infractions between 2014 and 2015 financial years, totaling 8.76 billion naira in violation of financial regulations. The Senate has considered and adopted the recommendation by the committee. The Financial Derivatives Company Limited has described the documentation process required by banks for the sale of foreign exchange as cumbersome, saying this will pose a challenge to the public. The CBN Governor, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, last week at the end of the Monetary Policy Committee meeting announced the stoppage of forex sales to Bureau de Change, saying they had activities of people who seek illicit fund flow and money laundering in Nigeria. It said the CBN will channel a significant portion of its weekly allocation currently meant for BDCs to commercial banks to meet legitimate forex demand for ordinary Nigerians and businesses. Unity Bank on Wednesday announced that it had introduced a new code on its unstructured supplementary service data platform that allows customers to block access to their bank accounts when fraudulent activities are detected. According to a statement issued by the bank's spokesperson, Nwokpoko Ogbonna, the new code will provide customers with the complete control of their accounts and guarantee protection against unauthorized access. Women Bank PLC has said it's partnering with the Shika Nigeria to organize a women's empowerment workshop. The bank said in a statement that the workshop would help women realize their potential and develop capabilities to achieve success. Investors in the equities market of the Nigerian Exchange Limited lost 65.18 billion naira on Thursday, ending a rally that spanned 5 consecutive days. The NGX All-Share Index closed at 38801.51 basis points, down by 0.32% from the previous day's record of 38,927.83 basis points. The market capitalization of the stocks reduced to 20.22 trillion naira at the end of the trading on the floor of the NGX from 20.28 trillion naira on Wednesday. Between December 2018 and 2020, the aggregate monetary value of manufacturing sector's output rose from 12.45 trillion naira to 19.44 trillion naira. This showed an increase of 6.99 trillion naira or 34.78% in total manufacturing output within the 2 years period. The figures were arrived at after analyzing the gross domestic product report obtained from the National Bureau of Statistics. The report also showed that out of the 13 subsectors that continued the manufacturing sector, the 12 recorded increased economic performance between 2018 and 2020, while one subsector recorded a fall in productivity. This is the media news. My name is Regina.